We generally support the notion that adding power improves any vehicle, even if every car need not rearrange your innards with G-forces in order to be fun. A case in point is the updated 2017 Kia Soul, which finally is available with a perky turbocharged engine that not only brings a significant boost in performance but an altogether more thoroughly executed feel. Limited to the range-topping model, in the Kia Verse, the Soul's new turbo setup starts at a reasonable $23,695. While that's nearly $7,000 dearer than the base Soul, and $1,545 more than last year's non-turbo Exclaim, the upcharge includes Hyundai and Kia's corporate turbocharged 1.6-liter inline-4 making 201 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque, 71 horses more than the Soul's standard, naturally aspirated 1.6-liter and a solid 40 more ponies than the now mid-level 2.0-liter 4-cylinder. The 1.6 TS power builds smoothly, and its 1500 RPM torque peak translates into ample mid-range grunt. We dig the raspy fizz from the turbo's twin-tail pipes, which sounds spunky yet won't draw the attention of aggro dudes in slammed Honda Civics. Although if they notice the Exclaim-specific red stripe around the lower body, it's probably on. You've been warned. The Soul's turbo engine is paired exclusively with the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which does without racy launch control programming or paddle shifters. Manual gear changes are possible via the console shifter. Despite those omissions and carrying 117 pounds more weight than the last 2.0-liter Soul we tested, our 3,202-pound test car dashed to 60 miles per hour a full 2.0 seconds quicker, 6.5 seconds versus 8.5, and its 15.1 second quarter-mile pass at 93 miles per hour was better by January 6 seconds and 9 miles per hour. For reference, in our last comparison test of subcompact crossovers, in which that 2.0-liter 2015 Soul finished second, the victorious Mazda CX-3 could manage only 8.1 and 16.3 second runs. Even the 215 HP Nissan Juke Nismo Rs trails the Soul Turbo in a straight line, and both it and the CX-3 are notably tighter inside than the Kia. Our test car's 24 mpg observed fuel economy, however, was considerably lower than the EPA's 28 mpg combined rating and 1 mpg less than what we got with the 2.0-liter Soul. The 30 mpg that the turbo returned on our 200-mile highway loop also was shy of the EPA's estimate but by only 1 mpg. Still, don't think of the Soul Exclaim as a hot hatch in the vein of the Volkswagen GDI or the Mazda 3 2.5L. This is simply a bubbly and